Is your favorite non-stick pot leaking toxins into your food? If your coated pan is crushed, it may be doing more harm than good. Let's uncover the truth before your next meal hurts more than it helps. Those your Owenga clay pots you want to toss away, you might have to watch this video fully before you do that. Hello friends, welcome back to the Food Safety Hub with Nneoma, where we talk about everyday food safety in fun and relatable ways. Let's be honest, we all love how easy non-stick pots make our lives. No scrubbing, no sticking, just perfect eggs and pancakes every time, right? But at what cost? Let's look into the science behind your non-stick coated pots, which contains PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, and PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid. These chemicals release toxic fumes when heated above 200 to 260 degrees Celsius. That can happen fast than you think. For example, have you ever left your pot on the stove while talking on the phone? Yep, that could already be releasing dangerous fumes before you know it. But here's where it gets scary. Once your pot is crushed, those flakes can end up in your food. Consuming them regularly can lead to issues like hormonal disruption. Do you know that some birds have died from just inhaling these fumes? How much more humans? See what I mean? Most people wonder why there are so many diseases and illnesses globally in this century. But we never consider what we expose ourselves to in the name of keeping up with the trends. Our ancestors and great-grandparents were not playing around. They cooked with clay pots, cast iron pots, and thick stainless pots. I still remember my grandma's heavy cast iron and clay pots. No coatings, no chemicals, just pure slow-cooked goodness. And let's be real, their food tasted way better too. If you still use old stainless steel pots, be proud of it and don't jump onto the trend of coated pots. I still love my stainless steel pots. I still keep them. I know how hard they are to scrub, but I love them. According to researchers, long-term exposure to PFOAs and other related compounds can be linked to thyroid disorders, infertility, kidney and liver damage, as well as increased risk of cancer. Hey, but don't panic. Let's talk safe alternatives. Here are the 4 top cookware options I personally recommend. Number 1 is cast iron. They have great heat retention. They last forever and they give your food some bonus iron. What else can you ask for? You get a good pot, you get iron supplemented into your body. Hey, don't sleep on this one. The second one is a stainless steel pot. They are durable, they are non-reactive, and they are safe for acidic food. This one is, common, you can get them anywhere, and I still love them. I love them, I use them, and they keep me safe. Number 3 is the clay pot. These ones are fading off slowly and becoming scarce. If you have them, keep them and use them more, as I rarely see them these days. Clay pots are great for soups and stews. I remember my mom's older sister who always cooked with it, and she even stored her water in clay pots because of the taste and the flavor it gives. We look forward to drinking from her home and eating her meal. Yummy goodness. The glass cookware is the 4th one on my list. They are perfect for baking and microwave safe. They are non-toxic and they are clay. So these 4 cookwares are good for you. They are out there in the market. They are not expensive, as you will have to break the bank compared to some of the coated pots that you are buying. Some of them are so expensive, so look for them and look for the ones that you can afford and use them. Let's be real. I know how tempting those sleek black pans at the store can be. They are cheap and convenient, but health is not cheap, and convenience should never come before safety. Would you rather wash your pot or deal with lifelong health issues? For me, I will take elbow grease over endocrine disruption any day. I love myself so much and I hope you do so too. So before you make that jollof rice or Sunday stew or best fried morning egg that you love so much, think about the pot you are using. Clean cooking starts with safe cookware. If you learned something today, go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe to Food Safety Hub with Nneoma. Share this video with someone who is still cooking with a misery pot. That pot you don't understand, you don't know. Share with them. And if you are in that bracket, please toss those pots away. Comment below. What pots do you use in your kitchen? Are you ready to switch? See you next time on Food Safety Hub with Nneoma, where we cook safe, smart, and with love. Bye.